Welcome. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to post a job on Forsa Connect. So if you've ever used Fiverr or Upwork, this is a brand new platform that's disrupting the industry, connecting you with talent from Egypt and across North Africa. It is 100% free during this beta phase, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started. So to post a job, you're going to go to Employers. From Employers, you're going to post the job for free. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started. Go ahead and put your job title. Let's say I want someone to help apply to jobs for me. And let's just copy and paste in a quick description. You want to include your rate in there, encourage people to apply, put our name. And this information is not public, so you won't have to worry about that. Country, agree to terms of the conditions, submit. Okay, so what I did now is just flipped over to my email to show you the confirmations that you'll get. So when you initially post the job, you get an email that it is in pending review status, and within 24 hours and likely even sooner, you'll get the follow-on approval email. So at that point, what I want to do is go ahead and check the job board, and you've got a easy link for you right there to go check. Let's scroll down and you can view your job post. You can see the description we included, as well as the job ID, which will be used for applicants to actually apply to the job. And as well as a personal link to your private link as well to your dashboard where you can view the applications. So I went ahead and pulled that up here. Obviously, no one's applied to the post yet, but once people do, you'll be able to see applications right there. 1, 2, 3, super easy. Go ahead and give it a shot, and we'll see you on the next one.